Q&A on my Insta story. And one of the questions was, how do you do your wash and goes and get them to last so long? So I am going live to show you all what I do. I just washed and conditioned my hair with our Nourishing Aromatherapy line. I needed something a little bit more cleansing than the cleansing shampoo that we have, because yesterday we went swimming. So I wanted something that's going to get all of that salt water and stuff out. While my hair is in the shower, drenched wet, I apply some of our Babasu and Monet detangler in the shower. And you want to typically have a water bottle handy, because if your hair gets dry fast like mine's, you want to make sure that you can, re-wet it. I'm trying to work in sections, and I'm just smoothing that conditioner through. And then I'm going to come back and add the gel, whatever gel that you normally like to use. And I just want to make sure I get the product all throughout my hair from roots to ends. And I'm also making sure that I'm keeping my hair detangled, finger detangling during the process. And once I finish that section, I'm just going to let it air dry. I'm not going to go back and, try to style it until it's totally dry. So this is how I do it. If you want to use a comb, you can, but you just want to make sure that you totally coat those strands. Not a comb, a detangling brush, or maybe a wide tooth comb, I should say. So what that would look like is me already finger detangled my hair, starting at the ends and then gently working my way up and getting it nice and detangled like this. Hopefully you all can see, because the lighting is maybe not the best right here. But this is what I do, section by section. And then I like to feel through my hair to make sure the gel is everywhere, on every section, on every strand. And I like to keep it, just like I wash my hair, I like to keep it detangled and styled in a downward motion. This way my hair might look kind of flat once it's drying, but then I style it at the end. When it's totally dry, then I will fluff it out and everything like that. I'll do one more section before I get off of here, and hopefully this is helpful. And I just kind of take a section with my fingers. I don't use combs. This is just faster. And if it's a little tangled, I'm gently separating it and moving it out the way. And then I'm gonna add some more of my detangler. You can add oil if you want, or serum. When you do add more things like that, it's not gonna hold as long depending on the gel you're using. We do not have a gel. This is the Camille Rose curl maker that I'm adding. And I'm just gonna go back and make sure I get it everywhere. And I'm finger detangling as I'm raking the product through, and you're just making sure it's nicely distributed. I tend to just use my fingers, but like I said, you can go back with the wide tooth comb if you want, or your detangling brush. And I like to gather all of those sections together. We'll try to see how it's looking a little bit better. So I'm gonna rub that gel in, and I use a lot of product, and then keep it in a downward motion. And then let it air dry. And I'll just post a picture once I finish everything, because I'm not gonna hold y'all up on this live with all this hair. But yep, that's all I do. So if y'all have any questions, be sure to let me know. Hope you have a wonderful day. Peace. So in this photo, my hair had a lot of bleach in it, so it was a lot flatter and limp, but I did like the curls. Here I had more volume. My hair was shorter, so my hair just would have like a rounder shape to it. Same here. And I had bangs, so the layers also would allow my hair to have more volume. This was more like a pixie cut. I love this style, short and sleek. And then this one right here, very chic style. It was so easy to manage also. And then here I had a lot of layers as well. That's our old packaging for our Rosemary Mint hair oil. And then as you can see here, my hair was a lot longer, and the length will definitely change the way the curls lay, because even here my hair was round, more round again with some bangs. And then sometimes I do little updos and stuff. I had a bun with some side curls. So wash and goes give you lots of options.